Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. Today's video is about the Netflix Error Code NSES-UHX. So let us look at the steps to resolve this. The very first step is to check your internet connectivity. Verify that your TV is connected to the internet. Open your TV's setting menu, navigate to network settings or Wi-Fi settings, and then you have to test the connection, and or you can do is restart your router and reconnect your Wi-Fi network to the TV. The second step is to unplug the TV. So this is known as the hard reset. A hard reset is where you directly unplug the TV from the main source and then after a few seconds replug it and turn on the TV. Then you have to restart the Netflix app. Close the Netflix app on your TV, wait for a few seconds and reopen the app. Now you have to remove the app, that is delete the app and reinstall. So you can go to the settings and then search for applications and remove the app and reinstall it. Last step is to update your TV software. Open the TV settings and navigate to systems or software update and check for updates and install the latest version. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.